Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a nice, thin, cozy dog bed, then check out this one from Mora Pets. So we got this one specifically for in our crate. So this is the 30-inch dog bed. We have a 30-inch crate. It is an excellent fit. It's super soft and plush and comfy. I find our pup going into his crate on his own just to lay on this bed. If we take it out, he'll lay on it on the floor. It's definitely approved by our pup. You can see just how thin it is. I really like that it's not bulky in his crate. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but it does add that extra layer of comfort. It's got this really nice pattern on it, a dark blue with the stars, super cute. The backside is cream color, and so it is reversible. Very low maintenance. If you have a dog, you know that there will be the inevitable messes. So I like that I can just throw this in the washer, throw it in the dryer. It holds up really great. We've watched this several times already, and it works like a charm. So a nice dog bed to spoil your pup with. They will love it, I'm sure, and that's my point of view.